Hi guys, my name is Yulita Sari from animation class. Now, I want to tell you how to create a Plateau object in the Blender software. The material that must be prepared: 1. Laptop and equipment. 2. The Blender software. Step you must follow to make the Plateau object in the Blender. First, open the Blender software on your desktop. You must be patient. And if the software is open, then there will automatically be a cube object. You just delete it. Third, click Ctrl, Alt, and U for the User Preference Blender menu. Then select Add-ons. Fourth, select Add Mesh in the Categories column. There is a box with Add Mesh ENT Landscape. Cross it. Next, click Shift A, choose Mesh and Landscape. A Plateau object will appear. To move it, click G on your keyboard. Then, if you want to change the size, click S and drag your mouse. Finally, the image of a Plateau object has been made. If you want to be more interesting, you can color it. So, that's all of me. Thank you and goodbye.